Hey everyone, welcome. See, are we good? Are we on? Oh shit, let's close this down. Let me put this in here. Let's see. I gotta set everything up again. What is this? Live? There we go. Hey guys, welcome, my dudes. Let me put that down. Welcome. How you guys doing? Hold on, I just gotta set this up. Can you hear me all right? Can you hear the music? I really need to get a second screen here, man. Come on. Yeah. I don't need to know this. How do you remove this? All right, cool. Real nice. How you guys doing? You doing good? And I have to try to get this done today. Let me get a new tab here. I really appreciate you guys checking in when I start. Good, man. Good to hear. Very good to hear. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do the file input. Let's do the file output first. I want to learn this because I gotta get going with my C# course or C# RPG, which I want to keep working on. Let's see, easy way to read and write from file. Let's see if we had anything. Write all blah blah blah. This isn't it, right? This isn't cool. Write to file. C# corner is good. Stream writer reader folder. Okay, file name, full path, whatever. Right line. This is very interesting. Let's see if we have anything on this. On this right here. Do I still have my login? Yes. I'm good, man. I'm good. Thank you. I'm good. I want to do so much other stuff. I don't want to do this course, but you know, you got to do it. You know how it is to study, right? You just have to do it. So we're going to try to get this file 2 thing to work. So we have classes here. That's good. I'm going to check that out. We have interface is good to know. Yeah, interface is good to know. Methods, that's fine. Methods go namespace assembly. That's interesting. File stuff. Yes, I do like this. I want to check this out. Hey man, Tana, hey. Cold hair. What's up, man? What's up? How you doing? Good? Thanks for joining. Thanks so much for joining, guys. Okay, width. Okay. In and out. Console 01. Okay, syntax. Oh, this is syntax. That's cool. Okay, decimal, fixed point, number format, file, floating point, currency, hexadecimal, general. General. Interesting. The general. Very interesting. File. Here we go. File, read all text. File, read all lines. File, write all text. File, write all lines. So easy. What? So that's the easy way to do it. Static methods in file. That's good to know. Okay. Interesting. File stream. String path, mode, access, share. That's interesting. Append, create new. Oh man, what is this? This is crazy. File access, read write. Okay, file stream, file share. So you got a bunch of stuff you can do. File stream, file, new file stream. Oh, so you can add, create file access, file share. Okay, so that's how you do it. File stream, file writer, file reader, read access, file reader, file writer. Cool, that's good to know. File stream, create, read, write. Okay, file stream. And you have to do the file stream dispose. New file stream text, file mode open, read, write. Good, that's very interesting. Using stream writer, new stream writer. Write line. So you can write to the stream. Using stream reader SR, new stream reader text. Aha. Interesting. Yeah, man. Yeah, right. True. Learn C++. I'll do that sometime. I have to do this right now, but I'll do that sometime. Hey, man, Ralph. Welcome. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining, all of you. You're amazing. Hope you're having a great day. Happy to see you here. I have to get this down. New stream reader console. Also, it's using. Interesting. Read from a text file. Okay, so file stream S, new file stream, read new file mode open, stream reader R, new stream reader S. That line. Okay, so you read a line. R read line. While line. What? Oh, stream reader using a stream. So that's how they want me to do it. You can do it in different ways, but this is a good way to do it. Okay. The game you build, is that like homework? Or yeah, it's like homework, man. It's an assignment for this last course that I have. So nothing I really want to build, and it's not that good, but it's they want me to do it that way. So it's a school thing. I don't go to school anymore, but still I have to do this school stuff. Just the last thing. Okay, so this is how they want me to do it. So this is to read. Take the line and do something with the line. That's fine. I don't need to do anything with the line. What about the stream? Don't you close the stream? S.dispose. Let's copy this. Control if a file exists. File to read. File exists. File to read. Okay. Okay. So this loads, this saves. So this loads everything. New array list. So we're gonna create scores. Scores. All right, we're gonna have to parse that then. Okay, read from a binary file. Read from a file. Okay, line, you do something with a line. So you want to parse the line for an int or a name and an int, because we have a name and a point. Okay. Doesn't have to do anything here. Save to a text file. Paste that there. Do something here. Dot close s dot dispose. I think we should dispose of that stream. So we have our stream reader, everything. We have our line to read into. We have our while loop, which checks the line. And we get the line. Now we need to parse the line. Array list dot add. No, scores dot add score. And then we're gonna do, what is a score? It's a name. And score. And we're gonna need a name as well. So we're gonna parse this from the line. String name. Okay. New score. Does not contain. Okay. So they don't want that. Let's check that again. Tana. Yeah, they're saved, bro. They're saved. You can check the channel. I have all of them saved. So no worries. No worries there. Let's check. Let's check this. Here we go. Let's go to score. Okay. So you can just... Oh, I really don't like the way they've done this, honestly. Okay, so what they want me to do is this. They want me to do this. Okay. Score.name equals something. Score dot guess equals 0, and then we'll add a new score. Add score. We'll push that in there. Okay, and then we'll have a bunch of scores in that score list. Okay. Or we could just get the line and we don't need to do all this score bullcrap. We might not even have to parse the line. We might not have to parse the line, guys. We might not have to. What is this? High score? I think it's best that we do, though. It's best because outside in UI, we're drawing UI. We're doing a score list, new high score, print score, print list, print score. Okay. No, it's just a print list. It's just a print list. We don't have to do all this. It's just a print list. That's fine. Scores dot add line. Good. And we also need to check if the file exists. If it doesn't exist, we're not gonna do anything. We're just gonna send back an empty one. So how did you check if it existed? Check if it exists. So let's copy this code here. Now let's try to analyze that. Let's put it right here. So string file to read. Fine. Okay. File to read. Scores.txt or high scores.txt. File exists. File to read. Then we'll do all of this other crap. Otherwise we will not. And it will just return an empty scores. Okay, good. So if I run this, will it crash? I don't think it should. I think we should be fine. You are the first to play. Enjoy. No. I didn't want to play. It's the first game I've seen where you can do that. Oh, sorry. Interesting. Okay. Oh, you are... Ooh, hey, Sabretooth. What's going on, man? Thank you so much for joining. So cool that you're learning Unreal. How long have you been working with that now? Ralph. Yes, music. Nah, it doesn't need to be sorted, bro. I don't think so. But that's a good point. Hey, what's up, bro? My dog. What it do, son? Well, thanks, you guys. Thanks for joining. Listen to this relaxing music. Who needs to be out grilling, socializing when you can listen to the stream? What are you doing, man? Come on. Shit, I hope you're having a good time, though. I wish I could go outside. Ain't nobody want to go outside with me. I should do a real live stream where I sit outside and stream and just chill with you guys. That'd be amazing. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Let's see if we can create a file called high scores. Okay, so what if I have a file high scores? I'll say Madaug. It took 100 guesses for Madaug to guess the number right. And I run this? Yeah, bro. Okay, still saying the first player, so that's not a good sign. If file exists, highscores.txt. Where are you looking though? Are you looking where I want you to look? Maybe that's it. Maybe that's why it's not working. Should it be here? Let's see. Let's get the whole thing. Let's put it here. H. Was that it? No, it should be even more. There you go. See if that works. Nope. How did you do that again? Two, right? Yeah, I think it's 2. Then you can actually use these. Yeah. That's a good point. I don't like using spaces as separators, to be honest. But what can you do? Already made the files. God damn it. No, what is it? What? No. No, high scores. Oh man, I should have added the... My god, bro, what am I doing? Why? No, what am I doing? Yo, I'm dumb. I'm sorry, guys. It should be here. File to read, new file stream. File to read. Dumb. Oh, that doesn't need escape. So this doesn't need escape. Will that work then? What's wrong with you now? What's wrong? Why are you bugging out? Hold up, I must have done something crazy. Okay, hold on. High scores. Alright, man. Thanks, bro. Thanks for checking in. Appreciate it. Okay, now I'm gonna actually read the problem here. Have fun, bro. Okay, so here's an issue. What's wrong with you, bro? Object. Reference not set to an instance of an object. Okay, print list I2 string. Print list. So I guess the print list is not created. That's why. That's why. It should work anyway, right? Pretty sure it should work anyway. Okay, you don't need a toString on this. Okay, good to know, man. Good to know. Okay, now there we go. That worked. But we didn't get the text, though. It did find the file, but it didn't actually read the text. File stream reader. Read line. File to read. So it did find the file. Does it go in here? File found. Okay, then high scores. Line equals read line. So we're reading it. I'm opening it, reading it. Didn't find it. Come on, man. Why are you doing this to me? Path. Yeah, it's complete path. Hey, Mega Impossible. I love your tutorials now. I'm making a game for my studies, and your tutorials really saved my... I just want to say thank you. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thanks for supporting. I really appreciate it, man. Thanks. That means a lot. Hopefully it's going well for you. What kind of game is it, though? File read stream as file read or reader. Okay, r.read line. Let's do a console. Maybe I'm not printing it properly. Maybe I'm closing it and something's happening. Scores.add return scores. I'm adding the line in. Let's see if we can actually print the line. Yeah, I got the line. I did get the line. I'm getting scores. I'm returning it. Oh wait, what is this? Print score. Return the scores. Return the scores, man. Add the scores. We're adding the scores. We're closing it. We're disposing the stream. Okay, then what happens? Okay. Print list. So how many do we have in this? Do we ever set the print list? Yes, we do. UI. But what if UI... But UI is created, right? So when it creates, it gets the print score. I should actually just do this here. High scores. Okay, this print list, print score. Count. Let's see if that works. Excuse me, what? Hold up. Oh, wait. That's why. Print list. That's why. So it isn't less than 0, so why isn't it printing? But it's 0. You serious? My God, why? Why? Print list equals new array list. Oh, hold on. What did I do? I gotta do this first. What about now? Please? Okay, good. So we have 1. So it does say that it does have something. And else it's printing out the high scores, but it's supposed to go through all of my... Print list at position I. I'll try this as well. Position 0. A Carcassonne board game and move it to a computer game, hopefully playable. Okay, cool, man. I do like that. So why is this not showing? Why is that not showing? That's hella weird. That's so weird. What about at 1? No. That's not how it works. No, that's not how it works. That's really confusing to me. Why is this not working? I should be able to return it. Print list is a new array list. But it's going to hold something returning from that. Can you do that? Can you make it a copy of that? Okay, I did make it a copy of that. But it's still not printing it out. Triple quote for multi-line string. Okay. Triple quote for multi-line string. So 3 quotes. Or how would you mean? Could you give me an example? I have 3 messages. I want to make it faster. Yeah, okay. I got you, man. Cool. You'll do great. I'm sure you'll do great. This is just bugging me out. It's saying count is greater than 1, but it doesn't want to have anything. Let's put that there. Print list count. So we did add one thing, but am I adding this properly then? What about this? Before I close it, before this, because this should work. Oh, okay. Triple quote like that? Okay. Now look, it's not printing this out. Why is it not printing that out? Scores is a new array list. And a line is a string. What about this then? Will this work? No, not even that works. But the line is there. The line is correct. Man, this is bugging me out. And then I'm trying to just print that. Why is it not printing? What? But line is printing. What if I say line here? That's so weird. That is so weird. Why is this not working? Line, it's a string. What? It was just working. It was just working. I need to figure this out. Do I have more than one open? Is that why? No, that wasn't why. Okay. Alright, I gotta check that out. I gotta check this out. It was just working. I bet this will work. I bet you this will work. Nope. Very strange. Very strange. It did work just a while back. It does work here. Please say it works because file is found. Yeah, there it does work. Okay, okay, hold on. So it's working right here. But when we get in here, line is not null. Oh, it's reading the line again. Why are you reading? But of course line is not. This is the dumbest code, bro. What is this? While... My God, bro. While line is not null. So this will read the next line. So I forgot to add this here. And the next line is gonna be null. Okay, okay, hold on, hold on. I got this. I got this. This is how they made it. Got it. Got it, got it. Okay. So now that should be added to whatever I want to add it to. UI. We'll do that. Then I bet it worked the way I did it before. I bet it worked. But anyway, we'll keep it like this. Print list, count, fine. Let's check this. Let's just see that it prints it out. Good. It printed it out. We have 2. That's what I don't get. Why is it using the other one? Why would you code it like this? This isn't good. There has to be an end of file thing. Now you have to do like 10 checks here. Then I have to check again if this is null or not. Oh, man. Look at this. If line. Then only I want to add this to my thingamajiggy. Okay, okay, okay. I don't want that extra one. While, wait, hold on. Can't you do that in a better way? I don't think you can do that inside, can you? No. Let's see if we can find something good. Okay, so we're stream reading, and while peak. Okay. We could use peak. Because then we don't have to do this. Or we can create string line. Oh, there is a while do. Actually, it's a do while. Yeah. It should be before read line. It's true. Or wait, no, it should be after because that's where we read it. Yeah. What are you doing? Are you sneaky? Huh? Yeah, you can say yeah. They must stream. My wife doing hijinks, trying to scare me. Okay, while peak is greater than 0, we're gonna read line. If the line is not null, we're gonna add the line. So now it's a little less checks. Hopefully we can work that. Yeah, okay. That's good. Now let's remove all the other crap that we have. File, let's remove that. File to read is fine. File mode open. Okay, good. Let's remove this. Get the print list. Good. Because the first line was read to initialize. That's true. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I get what you mean though. But yeah, the peak is nice. The peak feels a little better. Okay, man. Okay, so we're done with this. So now we can read the file. So now it will, if there is no file, it will just not do anything. If there's a file, it will print it out. And now to fix that printout, let's do I like the triple quote thing. I need to remember that. But this is good. So this is going to scores, high scores. Right line. New line. Can remove this new line. Okay, so it'll look a little nicer, I think. You want to play yes or no? So if you say yes, it will return the answer yes. Thank you. Thank you. So it returns the answer yes. And then that should happen in program. So if the answer is yes, we'll go in and we'll play. Phone leak 25. Hi, man. Hi, how are you doing? Welcome. Okay, I did not say yes. I should have said yes. Okay, lol. 65 was correct. Okay, I played it. Lol. No. What? Oh, 0. Okay. This should be yes or yes. Yes. Or let's say yes. Depends on how people write it. Good. And then I think here we should do play again. We should do yes. No. Just to keep consistency. You know. Yes, no, yes, no. Or okay. Choice. Ah, shit, okay. Choice. Where do I get the choice? Get input string. Let's do a get input string. Get input int. I don't need this. I don't need this. I'm sorry, guys. I don't need that. I don't need that at all. We can do a string choice console that get right line, and then we're just gonna print out whatever I wrote here in there, and we're gonna do a simple console dot right line. No, read line like that. Okay, and then we'll just check the choice out. Oh, fine, we're good. Good to hear, man. Good to hear it. What's the major difference between C++ and C#? Well, I'd say C++ and C#. I mean, C# is a layered language. It's a language where you have a virtual machine layer running, which takes care of a lot of things like memory handling, you know, garbage collection. So, you know, in C++ where you use all the new pointers and stuff like that, you don't really do it here. And then, oh, thanks, man. Thanks. I'll do that. Thank you. Yeah, and then I mean, everything is references here. It's not like in C++ where you have regular variables and then pointers and references, all that. Here, everything is a reference. It's like Java in that sense, and it's much more forgiving, this language, much more forgiving. So the biggest differences is just that. I mean, it's much more forgiving. C++ is like a much lower level language, where it's much more hardcore. I mean, you have to do everything yourself. You have to take care of everything yourself. It's similar in the way you write it, you know, mostly. But C++ is a lot less forgiving in that sense. It's more down to the hardware, kind of. C# is very flexible. You can use it for everything. I mean, just regular programs to GUI programs, applications. Also, you know, I think a lot of web development is used or uses C#. So that's the kind of the difference. C++ you could probably optimize a lot more to get a lot better performance. That's why when I do game engines and stuff, I usually do that in C++. C# is more for, you know, making nice applications and all that. But I know Unreal or Unity uses C# or Unreal. I'm not sure. One of them uses that for scripting. All right, cool. Yeah. See, that's good. All right, I'm gonna try this lowercase. Yeah, that made my life a lot easier, bro. Thank you so much. I mean, this doesn't need a 2 lower, but okay. There we go. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. To lower, we're gonna get the answer in 2 lower, and then we're gonna check it in program just to the regular yes, I'd say. Okay, because we're guaranteed it's a 2 lower. I don't know what makes more sense, 2 lower here or inside. I think I'll do 2 lower in there so we can actually see that it's happening right there. You don't have to do 2. So we'll make sure it comes in 2 lower, and then we will, yeah, send it in and we'll play the game. And once that works, it works. Welcome, Adrian. So nice to see you here, man. Thank you so much for joining. Muharrem. Did I say that correctly? Muharrem. Welcome, bro. It's a cool name. It's a really cool name. How you both doing? How all you guys doing? Doing good? Oh, yeah. Web development, right? ASPX. Okay, cool, man. I'm not 100% aware of that, but I need to check that. PX. All these words, man. AISP.net. Oh, okay. ASPX. Oh, man. I really want to know all this. I want to know all this. I want to get like 10 books on all this stuff and just get into it. But that's cool, man. Now I know who to ask, Mr. PhD. Thank you so much for your help, bro. Good, man. Good. Yeah, so nice to see you, man. So nice to see you. Thank you for joining. How's your day been? Read line. Good. Am I a student or why do I study? Now, last year I stopped being a student, but I had one course too little to graduate, but I still got a job. I told them, that I'm gonna get it soon, so they just gave me a job. They trusted me, and I'm doing my job. I've been doing my job for a year almost, and it's been going really well. So I didn't really need my degree, but now a year later, I'm thinking, why not just finish this course, get the degree, and get it over with. That's why I'm doing this now. This one course that I have, online course, just to get the points, the credits. You get enough credits, then you can get your graduate degree out. I just have one course left, this one that I just need to finish for the points, and then I'm good. So let's see how we load the file. Read from a file. So it would be this is loading. Write to a file will be write to a file. I don't need binaries, bro. We don't need binary files right now. That'll be when we make our game, son. Not right now. That's not what we need. So save to a file for each. What is that? File mode create. Good, good, good. Now we need to do the street file to write to. We're not going to do this, guys. Don't worry. We're not going to open the file each time in scores. I just put it in there by mistake. File to write. We're going to take this out. Put it here. Don't worry about it. Try not to open and close files every loop or in a loop. You don't want to do that. You want to do it outside and you want to handle it in a loop. Course rise scores, if it does not exist, we create it. That's what this means. And this will do file to read here, file to write. File to write. Stream writer, W, good. Write line. So we're not writing that at all whatsoever. We need to remove all this. And this will be outside. Outside. And then S dispose. Don't forget to close your streams, guys. Otherwise, it's going to be a big issue. All right, now we're going to do this. We're going to do this. We're going to do... How are we going to write this? So we need the names. So score. Wait. So this is the name. String, I guess. How was that? I don't know. Let's see. We'll check it out. Why am I not seeing you guys here? Bologna system. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with that. I don't think it is. C# is quite similar to C++ from what I see. It is. It is. In that sense, it is. The way you write it, just visually it is. But what's happening under the hood is very different. It's very different. So... yeah, digit, that's a digit. You can use $sign on var1, var2, and so on. Okay, you can do that? You can use $signs in this? Yeah. Java is quite annoying. For example, trying to pass work with Java, install it all. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Java wasn't really for me either. I mean, Java is really flexible, is good, but it could be quite annoying sometimes. C# is a lot more clean cut, I'd say. It's a little more clean cut, but it is much more similar to Java than C++. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's like in JavaScript. You mean like this? $sign? Yeah, PHP as well. Yeah, PHP. All right, let's try this though. Digit. I could use that. I mean, that's fine. That's fine. Score dot. What is a score? In scores, it's an array list. Array list. We don't have to do this, guys. Sends in an array list of scores? Huh. Wait, I just have to see what happens here. I mean, you save your scores in an array list. And you create a score. Add this game score. I'm actually adding scores. Actual scores to this. What if I do a toString? Do you think they'll like that? I'm not sure, man. I mean, it makes my life a lot easier. Makes my life a lot easier to just write that out. I guess it can handle it on its own anyway. I don't think I have to like parse it or anything. I think so. I think so, right? I think so. I think it should be good. But it's before opening the quote. Oh, that's interesting. I need to try that. I really do need to try that. Man, I also studied to obtain my first job. After this, I'm going to college. Initially, I was a student at mathematics. Oh, cool, man. Nice. All right. Hope it all works out for you, man. That's awesome. I know it's not topic here, but can you use your C++ Simple 2D spreadsheet for explosion of enemies? 3 spreadsheets for explosion enemies. Oh, I never added that on there, but I will. I will create the next game I'll create. I'll have explosion sprite sheet stuff going there, man. I will. That was my idea. This one I just created just to, you know, make a simple game, and then in the next one we'll try to make kind of that type of game, but with more animations and stuff like that, because it takes a lot longer time. Hey, Manzy. Cool, man. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. I'm so glad you stopped by. I'm working on a project or a assignment in C#. So just creating a little, it's like a guessing game. Basically, this is just the basics of C#. So basics, a guessing game where you have to read in, read out, high scores and all that. But yeah, thank you so much for joining, man. Like the @ operator. Okay. All right. I see. I gotta really learn all these output things. That's so cool you know all this, man. Thank you. Yeah, sure, man. Adrian, let me know. What's your question, bro? Save scores. Okay, so let's try this. Just see if it saves any scores. It won't save any scores because you know why? Because I never call this save scores. When is it gonna call the save scores? That's the question. Save scores. Okay. Okay, hold up. We gotta think. Damn it. I already had these. Shit. Okay, we'll fix that. We'll fix that in a minute. Doesn't matter. I already had these, goddammit. I want to use the console game as a project and put in my CV. Maybe I will modify it. Okay. Create something in Qt. What do you think? Yeah? That's good. I think that will be good for your CV. Console game. Yeah, that's good. It's good to put in. I mean, depends on the job you're searching, but it's good. If you have any bigger projects, what I'd say is you have some kind of GitHub portfolio where you can add lots of different projects and link that GitHub portfolio instead of just this one console game project. Maybe if you have any more projects, link them all to that GitHub, put them all up there, and then, link the whole GitHub thing. Because, I mean, a console game is great if it's a big one. If it's very, I want to get a job as an embedded developer. Okay. Yeah. Also Qt projects. Yeah, okay. Yeah, man. That's good. That's actually good. I mean, embedded developer, yeah. I'm not 100% familiar with their job description, but I guess it will be good. Qt is good. Also, check if you can learn more modern web GUI stuff. Web stuff or C# or something where you can work in GUI in a more modern way. STL is cool. Yeah. STL. What was that again? Hold up. Gotta refresh my memory, guys. So many things going on. Or is it SDL you mean? No, STL. Okay, this is a 3D kind of thing. That's good. Was SDL what I'm thinking? No, Swedish dance language. Okay. No, simple direct media layer. Okay, yeah, this is like OpenGL and or SFML. Okay, yeah. That's what I was thinking. That's funny. Okay. Yeah, man, anything you can put in. I mean, I guess anything you can put in is fine. Hey, study with Chibit. Hey, bro. Yeah, standard steel. Yeah, this is good to know. If you're familiar with all the standard template stuff, is good. Hey, study. How you doing? You doing good? Hope you're doing great. Thanks for joining. Thanks for chilling. Let me just see if this is gonna work. Where do we save the scores, man? Wow, I don't get it. Okay, guess number, blah, blah, blah. We have high score here. Okay, high score. We have our score list. Okay, we have our score list. Is that score list? I already have a score list. And I have game score. And I have score list. Okay, hold on. I'm doing some crazy shit. Okay, this score list. There's a new high score. Score list is a new high score. What? And a high score dot save score. Send in an array list. Okay. 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 If what is this? What is this? Play game. When play game ends. Okay. I would not do it like this, guys. I just want to put that on record. This is not coded by me or made by me. I'm just doing what they're saying. When do you want to visit Romania again? Hopefully as soon as possible, bro. Hopefully. I want to go to Cluj. I want to go to Bucharest again. I also want to go to Eforia Nord and all that stuff. What was it called? Maliana something. It's really close to Eforia Nord. I don't remember what it's called. Something with M, where all the rich people go. That place was nice. I'm not rich, but that place was nice. I always use file read all. Yeah, man, I love that. That seems so nice. I don't know why they did this way. I don't know why they did it. Yeah, exactly. You don't have to close and dispose it. Lasagna. I thought I said lasagna for a while there, man. I was happy there. But thank you so much for joining. For streams, you can use using stream as... Yeah, I saw that as well. Do stuff to stream while me close after. That's amazing. I should do that. But for some reason, they chose to show me this. Or did they show me the other one? They probably showed me the other one as well. But they chose to add these here in my assignment. So I guess they really want me to use the stream writer and reader. But I really appreciate that, man. Thanks. I'll do that. Definitely when I do it on my own, something on my own, I'll use that. Okay, so score. I'm guessing score list dot save score. Scores. So I get all the scores. I want to save all the scores. And that's all you do. That's all you do. You have your game score, your scores. Okay. So I'm using that score list to save it. And here we're using the print list, score list. What are we using the score list for then? What are we using the score list for? Why have they done this in my life? Why? When you can just do this. Oh, this is what they wanted. This is why they did it. So you... Oh, man. I'm flipping out over this. This is driving me crazy. This is driving me crazy. This is driving me crazy. This is so dumb. I guess, you know, whatever you guys, whatever they want, they'll get it. Okay, yes. And I gotta save the old high scores too. Oh, man. Okay. Oof. How are you gonna do that then? Oh, man. How are we gonna do that? I gotta do some kind of append action here. Oh, man. That's so annoying. Maybe they do want it sorted, like you said. When the player done guessing, it should add to the high scores. Yeah. Way, shout out, Pusheen, Sabbanashri. Thanks for joining. Yeah. Okay. Benasheri. Shout out. Can you guess the numbers, Benashri? Oh, why are you guessing wrong? Come on, guess it right. Okay. Whoa, took 3 guesses. Yes. Okay, I want to play again. I didn't get to play again. I gotta check that. Okay, but it saved the scores. So where did it save the scores? High scores. Okay. That's not okay. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. So I'm getting the array list scores and I'm writing line score. Scores, all the scores in score list. Oh man. I'm guessing we'll do that. Let's try this again. Yes, I want to play again. Okay, no, I didn't get to play again. Oh, this is really annoying. Why are you doing this? God. Why? File mode, create, stream writer, score in scores. Okay, so we get the array list. What am I sending in then? Scores, right? 2 game score. This game score. It's very strange. Very strange. I'll see. Thanks for having me. I'll pay you. I'll pay you with the car. But I'll guess after the 100, yeah. Hey, Khan. Hey. What's going on? Do you have any advanced, not extremely basic C++ to run F stream? Nice. You have these. Yeah, I mean, I have basic ones. It depends on what advanced is. Like, what I mean, if you look at how let's see. Let me see if I can show you. Man, I really don't like this file read. I should do, man, I couldn't save those things. It's bugging me out. But whatever, let's take a little break. Let me just show you. If I go into my SFML RPG project. Hey man, Leeward. What's going on, man? Yo, how you doing? How to break lines and snippets. Okay. Okay, so I have a few different ones. I'd say this is my C++, the SFML game code. And we have the tile map here somewhere. That one is a little more advanced, I'd say. But I don't really have a tutorial on. I guess you can see while I create it, how I create it. Let's see if this loads. Okay, so I have a tile map here. Come on. Is the stream lagging, by the way, guys? Is it lagging or is it fine? It's on high performance. Okay, let's see. So where I load from file and I save from file. Remove tile, save to file. So here we save it. We save a 3-dimensional array onto a file. And we load here the load is interesting because I'm getting a bunch of different things from the file. See, so all these things I'm gonna get a vector 2i, 2ints, an int, all different types here, different types of data, booleans, shorts, and then I'm trying to get that from this 3-dimensional array like this, and then I put that in to the tiles. I create tiles out of that data. So this, maybe watching this, you'll see how to make a more complicated load of a big tile map. Maybe that will help because you see it's pretty, that's save, this is load. It's a pretty big function. So I don't know, would that be interesting to you, man? Your C++ tutorial very helpful for me. Okay, yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks. I'm happy. I'm happy to help you. Yeah, no problem, man. I hope I could help you better. Otherwise, if that doesn't work, hold on. If that doesn't work out, you can check. Okay, so that would be the SFML RPG tile map tutorial, or I don't know what episode that is, but maybe you can just search for tile map. If that doesn't work, a more advanced one would be my 3D object loader, which also kind of breaks up stuff. It's not as advanced, but it kind of breaks up stuff. So let's go to that one just real quick. YouTube tutorial. There we go. Let's just break this up. Cool, man. Good to hear. Good to hear. The stream's fine. Thanks for all the nice words, guys. I appreciate it. It warms the heart. It really does. Just hope you guys are doing great and doing good. So if you check this one out, my man, Object Loader, I think it's one of my recent 3D tutorials on the OpenGL tutorials. You'll see I have a load object function which gets a bunch of vertices, positions, normals. You don't have to think about all that. Don't think about this. Just ignore all what the 3D part is if you don't like that. Just try to focus on the different types. A vector 3 is basically 3 float variables. Vector 2 is 2 float variables. All right, that's it. And you have all of these. glint is also just an integer. You don't have to worry about that. But just try to focus on how I get the line here and how I break it up and try to see like how I see a prefix before it. So if the line has a S before it, then I'll do something. If it's a V, I'll do something. So that's kind of how I broke this up. Maybe it will help you out, and it might help to look at one of these object files, like how they look inside. If I show you an object file here of like a cube or something, it's a simple one. Let's see if that opens up. Yeah, a cube. So you'll see a prefix V. So these are all the vertices. So whenever I find a V on this line, I'm going to do a certain thing. So this is what I'm looking for. Hashtag I'm looking for. O I'm looking for. VT I'm looking for. If you look in the code, you see like with the prefixes VT, then I'm going to get those texture coordinates and so on. So it depends a little bit on what you need, man. But yeah, so that's another one. If you need more, you know, don't be afraid. Just let me know and I'll try to get something out for you. A small chess engine with AI would be an interesting idea. Okay, all right. Chess. Okay, I have my chess master Michelle here, so he could help me out for the AI. I could actually do that. Yeah, for the computer. Yeah. I had a friend who did that as a first game project in school, man. I can tell you, he worked his butt off, man. Holy shit. I don't know if I want to get into that. But it's a really good idea, actually. It's a really good idea. Actually, it's a good idea, man. You're just full of good ideas. I should do it. I should do it. Okay. 37. Come on, bro. Why is it not? Okay, so that worked. Oh, man, I don't get this. Whatever. Wait, maybe that didn't work now. Oh, man. Okay, hold up. $84. No, I don't want to. Okay, so no. Oh, I was close. Holy shit. Okay, what if I say yes then? All right, thank you. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, did I close that? Oh, here we go. Dot score. Dot score. So it's not. It's not doing what I want it to do. It's not doing what I want it to do at all. It's not doing anything I want to do. Right line score dot. So this is a soccer score. I don't know why it's not doing what I want it to do, but we'll have to check this out. We'll have to see why. How long have I been streaming? All right, 1 hour. We passed 1 hour, guys. Amazing. We're moving forward still, all right? I have to fix that yes thing. Okay, so now it printed out that. So we need to figure this out. I'm getting an array list in here. I'm getting an array list. So let's try to debug it here before I send it. Let's try to debug it here. So I'm adding scores. Let's say this console.writeLine this dot game score. Did I make a game score new here somewhere? New score. I don't have a toString function in here, I know, but it does have a default one, so I don't know why it's not doing anything here. 2479. Yeah, see, here's printing out that again. Okay, so that is our issue, is right here. It doesn't allow me to do a... The whole point of having this, class is to contain name and number of guesses. But if I can't just print it out, what's the point then? What's the point? I don't understand. It doesn't represent. So dumb. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. I need to override it. But in the instructions, it doesn't say anything that I should override it. So I'm guessing they really don't want me to override it. But the whole point of a score container is to be able to easily print it out. I don't want to have to do name, and then all that crap. But okay, fine. You know what? If they argue with me, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna tell them off. I'm gonna tell them off. There you go. Or you know what? Let's take care of this inside. I really do want to override that function, but I'm not allowed to. I don't think I am. Let's go to high score. So we get that in as an array. We check all the scores. Let's see if this is allowed. No, it's not going to allow me. I need to... How do I cast it? Score. Can't you do like in C++? No, you can't do it. I need to cast this somehow. I need to typecast it. I probably said something in these. You probably said something that I should have read about in here, but I really haven't done it. So classes, interfaces. Cool, we'll have to do that. I'll have to fix that. Methods, assembly. Person. Okay, I could have done that as well. Damn it. Okay. So you can do this. You can do it like this. I need to remember this. See what you guys saying. $ name score. Okay. Those two I'll remember actually. I'm just gonna see if you can do this any other way. This is base class stuff. Okay, yeah, it's very stupid. Stupid typecasting. I want to explicitly cast it. Console write line. Oh, hold on. Am I dumb? Score. That should do it. Very annoying. Very annoying. So a score. has the name get and set. Oh wait, why am I using this then? You don't need that. That is what I'm doing. What? Hold on. This is what I'm supposed to do. Okay, good. Fine. Okay, we can't really do anything there. So we need to... I'm getting in the score. Let's fix that first. Let's go to here. And let's say... score. New score. Name. Of guess. Guesses. Is that it? I mean, how do you do that? Okay. Okay, so you could do that. Good. So we get a new game score. We're sending in the game score. Coming in here. We got the score. But I want to be able to print that. Fine. Okay, let's just see what happens now. Okay. Yes. 6. Okay, Stack Overflow. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Name. Okay. So that doesn't want to work. How did she say it worked? See that again. Okay, get set. That's all you need. Public int, public string, get set. You don't need all that other crap. Get set. Okay, so we got our get set. So this is a lot easier for me. Good. Now let's see, guys. Yeah. Let's run this again. Come on. Soon we'll be done with this, I'm sure. Okay. So that is fine. That printed whatever that printed out. Put in here. All right, we still got this. Okay, so that is pretty much as expected. But now what I have to do is I have to do score in scores. What about now? Score dot name. Okay. Plus score dot guess. How did you say you could do this? $ name score. Can you do that here? $ name. Name. $ name. Ooh, that works. That is amazing. That is amazing. Oh, how do you do... Oh, it will be a space in itself. That's so cool. I love this. This is amazing, man. Thank you. Cool. Okay. Score. Guess. Name. Guess. Please. Please work. Please work. Yes. Ah, look at that. Look at this. Amazing. We did it, guys. No, we didn't. But we did it here. Why did this work? Saving scores. Hold on. Let me see. Scores. Saving scores. damn it, it did work. Saving scores, and then we went in the save scores. Okay, man, no problemo then, no problemo. Let's put it like this then. Then we'll be fine. And what are their incredible? Oh no, what did I do? Okay, so how do you want high score to be? Okay, that's good. But high scores, the whole point of a high score list is to sort it. Okay, what else are there? Uh-huh. Yeah, it gets exactly, this is what they're saying. So high score list gets overridden. Yep. And then the challenge adds the text and the existing text file. Okay, append it, and then to sort it. Append it and then sort it. We can do that. Do we want to do that? Is the question. We could do it. Do we want to? I have a little time left. Actually, what I want to do is to get in with that Lua stuff, the Lua C++ stuff. That would be nice. Now when this is actually reading, writing, and everything's working fine, I actually do want, but what we can do, append, we can do append here. But what happens then if the file doesn't exist? Let me try that. So let me remove that, run this so it doesn't exist. Yes. Okay. And then it will create the file. Good. And if I run this again, good. Now it will have appended it. Good. Okay. Good. Nice. So that's working. That's great. What else can we do? So now the next step would be to fix that guest number thing. What the hell happened to my program? Here we go. Oh man, okay. Good. Guest number. Would you like to play again? Choice, yes. Run game, true. Else, false. There we go. So now it's working. Now it's good. Good. Good guys, we're almost done with this. I'm gonna send this in a bit. What I want to try to do now is to get into that Lua coding. So I want to learn that again so we can make it nice. I'm gonna shut this down for now. I'm done with this. It took a long time to get that done. What is the next one? I just want to check what the next one is. So once I send this in, the next one would be what I will do tomorrow. Graphical. Ooh. Man, this is amazing. Naming controls. table results. Okay, that's good to know. It's good to know. It's good to know. Then let's see what they're gonna do. So we're gonna get into this UI stuff, I think, right? Okay, think so. Let's check this out. Oh, look at this. This is what we're gonna do. Yes, we like this. This is amazing. All right. Check this out. We're gonna press buttons and all that. It's gonna be cool. Good to know. Okay. Lua is life. I do love Lua. Okay, here we are. Turn that down. Turn this down. Where is that Lua file? I just have to get into it again just to see how I did that. It was in this one. It was game projects. Lua test. I do have the Lua JIT here. Let's see if there's still a Lua JIT. Actually, if they're still working on that, or if the latest one is from 2017, 2.05 is the release. That's the beta. They haven't worked on it since then. So this is probably the best one we can go with. That's the one I'm using. Lua JIT is a Lua just-in-time compiler. So it's much faster, much more optimized than the regular Lua compiler. Much better for games. You can use it pretty much lossless performance. I mean, it's amazing. So I want to, at least from what I noticed, so that's good. So the way you download this again is you can get the stable version. Okay. If you get the zip to the desktop, let's see how that comes. It comes in a bunch of source. Okay, yeah, source. Good. So you have all the lib, everything here. You don't really have to build it, I'd say. I mean, you could make file it. Let's see how I linked it. Yeah, I never built it. I just put it in here and I just linked to it. So it would be better to build it, get a DLL and a lib file. But I don't think you have to be honest. So let me run this again. Let's see. Let's turn that down. Hey, TechFlip. What's going on? I'm good, man. I'm good. How are you doing? Studying is real good. It's fine. Thanks. Yeah, I've struggled with that last assignment for a while now. I just kind of done with that. Ooh, you like coffee? I do like coffee. I do love coffee, but it's a love-hate relationship with me and coffee. It's tough, you know. When you don't have coffee, you feel like crap. But it really helps you to get going, I'd say. I should get something to drink. I'll be right back. I'll get something to drink before I get into this. Got some Coke, some of that good stuff, some of that Cola Zero. Tasty stuff. Oh, I don't have any headphones. I always usually have headphones. That's why I got confused there. Good, man. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. Good to hear. So what are you doing these days, man? What are you up to? You have some Easter holidays? Wherever you are. So I gotta see here. Let's try to make a new project. You know what? The best way to practice is to make a new project. Should I use 2019? Let's go with 2019. Let's make a new project. And use an empty C++ project. No, desktop wizard. And then we're gonna do a CPP Lua petition. Let's put it in my big. Always good to have a real nice big hard drive to put stuff in. Always good. Play solution project and say, well, of course, bro. Why not? Of course, but I think it will do that anyway. Okay, the project, I do want precompiled header. We love precompiled header. Let's see if we can get that to work. It should work. Then we'll get the stdafx file where we can just put everything in. Oh, pch.h. That's good. Good. pch.h. Ooh, don't open that. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. This is where you put all the stuff. So include IO stream. I love precompiled headers. I love them. That's funny. As soon as you write that, I'm sorry, I'm gonna do that, but that was kind of funny. That's funny. No offense, bro, but that was funny. Gonna work on email tree for just so that's hidden for later in the videos. Currently working on. Ooh, nice, bro. That's good, man. AVL tree. How was that again? That's a great thing. I think I helped a friend with the AVL tree, or while I was a mentor at BTH. Not this. God damn it. This is one of those trees that are really annoying to do. Average. What is it called? Named after. Okay. I thought it was some kind of a technical name, but it's named after the person who invented it. That's great. Thank you so much, Adelson and Velsky. That says a lot about your tree and what it stands for, what it does. God, I don't like that. It's not good. Should be something like min-max tree where you just by the name you can just get what it does. But okay, that sounds annoying, bro. I'm so happy I'm not going to BTH, man. I'm sorry. I'm so happy I'm done with that. Okay. All right, but it sounds fun. Have fun, man. All right, man. Yeah, good. Precompiled headers. I will make a video on that. I will have to. I use it in a few of my projects, but I haven't made a video on it. It's so good, man. I mean, it saves so much compilation time where it doesn't like have to check all the includes all the time. It makes like a compiled package of headers you always use in everything, and just shove it into your project and it will use that for all of your files, and you don't have to include that all the time, which is really convenient. It's really nice. But I will make a video on that. It's a good thing to do. So many videos I have to make, guys. Holy crap. Okay, so include math. C math. We'll probably need to include I don't know. What do we need to include, guys? I don't know. Let's start off our project here. Okay, let's start off by doing we're going to start use solution explorer window to add manager. Team explorer window connect source control. That's good. Output windows building. First add new item, create new code files in future. Okay, this is nice. Run control F5 debug program. F5 or debug. Okay, good to know, guys. Good to know. I'll keep that. Let's try to run this. Let's see. They included IOStream here. I'm not gonna do that. Good, that worked. I'm gonna remove that. I'm keeping it in the pre-compiled headers. Okay, guys, let's try to include Lua now. Let's try to include that into our project. So let's see, where do I have I already have my Lua test. I'm gonna just copy my external folder because it has SFML as well. And I'm gonna put it in my H folder. Oh, here I got a bunch of things. H folder here. And straight up just paste it in here. Be happy to paste it in there. It's only 40 megs. We're gonna dynamically link this baby. See how that works. Come on, bro. Come on. Let's get that done. So I have that here. Do we have a lib file here? We do have lib files. Do I have DLL files? We have a DLL file. So it's built. That is built. When you download it, is it built? I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt it. Okay, let's try to just extract it. Because if you have to build it, it's a whole different thing. So I'm gonna try to see if it's built actually on the desktop. Go to this one. Lib file. It's not built. It's not built. Okay. But I guess you can run the build. Hold on. Is there a make file? There's a make file. So I just want to see how you build this. So you can run this make file. You have to have make installed for that. You have to have make installed. You should be able to run this batch file. Run. Should just build it. I mean, oh, so dumb. So dumb. Okay. Visual Studio Command Prompt. Visual Studio Command. Okay, we'll just use this. Doesn't matter. Whatever. I'll build it with that. Probably shouldn't build it with this, but okay. Host. It's right there. What are you talking about? What? Let's go use Sigwin, bro. Just use Sigwin. Everyone on Windows, just use Sigwin. All right. So I guess while making this, it will create the lib files for me. Yes, and the DLL files. Good. Good, 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 good. Okay, it did create the lib files. Okay, let's do the lib files. Lib library file. Here are all the lib files that we need. And then we have the PS4 build. What? PS Vita build? What? Are you serious? That's crazy. Lua 5.1 lib. And then we probably have the DLL here somewhere. Yeah, okay. Good. Now we know how to build it. Okay, now we know how to build it. That's how we do. We use the make file. Or you can add all this stuff into a beautiful Windows thingy. Now, sorry guys, I haven't been focusing on this at all. Currently working on, yeah, okay, okay. I have a huge problem with circular dependencies. Yes, it can, bro. Yes, it can. And another thing, Mr. PhD, let me know if you're still here. Then I'll try to explain something else that can really work with the circular dependencies. Yeah, I want to only explain it if you're here. Yeah, another more. Yeah, it's good to learn. Anything that challenges you in code is good, I guess. Right? Don't you agree? Like, it's a good thing. Yeah, man, Java. Okay, cool, man. Yeah, Java and C Sharp. Listen, so Java and C Sharp, they have the namespaces, right? So everything is dependent on each other. Everything can work on with each other. You don't have to create these dependencies and everything, right? So say that I create. Let's try this, okay? Let me show you live. Let's make a new class here. Let's call it. A usual thing in games is like you have a character and an enemy, right? Character. Let's see if this works first. So I'm not gonna lie to you, but this is something that's helped me. I don't know if it was a freak accident, but it's really helped me. My friend taught me this, and it's called forward declaration. If you know what that is, enemy. So let's create an enemy and a character. So usually, when you're working with enemies and characters, like this. Okay, bro. If you're using enemies, fine. Enemies and characters. So I have an enemy and a character, and I want to use the character in enemy and an enemy in character, is an issue, right? Let's see if this works. Let's just include character here. So let me think. So I included the character, and in the character, I'm gonna include enemy.h, because here I want to create a new enemy, and I want to attack with enemy and all that stuff, right? So now I can include the enemy and enemy. But what if I want to check the character and enemy? That's not gonna work, right? So what you could do, you could forward declare it, class character here, okay? And then what you can do, or you could forward declare it here, I think, class character. I'm not sure if you have to do it in the CPP or in here, but it somehow alleviates it. So when you forward declare something, you're telling the compiler, you're telling the computer, basically this exists somewhere. It hasn't been defined yet, it hasn't been loaded in yet, but it does exist. And once the program is compiled, everything is done, you have read everything, I guarantee you this class is gonna exist. Okay, this class is gonna be here, and I will be able to use it. So you should be able to create a class or a character pointer at least that you can use. Okay, and then you're gonna be able to have this circle. But the only limitation of this is you can only use pointers of this class here in the second class. So there won't be a circular dependency, but it will help in that. Now, if you were to use precompiled headers and add enemy and character in here, and then include that into your CPP file here like this, I guess that could work as well. And you could kind of alleviate that circular dependency, but I'm thinking this way also works. So I don't know if this is going to run now, but this is one of the ways that it should work. So it did run. I don't know if we should create a character and see if that works right there. It might complain. No, it didn't complain. So that kind of alleviated that. And enemy. That did kind of alleviate that. So you could probably use that. I don't know if you followed there, bro, but look at that. Yeah, how about a class that extends another? I could possibly forward declare, right? Yeah, you could if you forward declared the base class as well. So that would be a little more of a problem. But actually, no. I mean, if you forward declare the class that you need, everything else will be included by that point, and the computer will already have known that it's a base class of something, or it's a child class of something. Like, yeah, exactly. Abstract class piece, but forward declare bishop, which extends piece. Exactly. So you should only be able to forward declare bishop, I'd say, because I've done that. I have an entity class, which I kind of use. It's an abstract class, which I use for enemy and character and all that. But I never really forward declared that. I can't say I did. Can't say I did. Let's try this live. Let's try this live. So entity will go into enemy. Include or entity include entity. Okay, public entity. Entity. Oh, I don't have a constructor for that? What? No, I don't have a constructor for that. Okay, fine. Entity. Not sure, man. I'm not sure. This got really convoluted real fast. But if you try it, I think it's better if you try it. Honestly, in your specific problem, if you try it, maybe it should work. So I'm gonna delete these. Actually, I don't need these right now. No. Yeah. Sorry, man. I tried here, but I mean, I think it's a little too convoluted to me without having any context. You know, you kind of need context in these things. But hopefully that gives you a direction to go in at least, maybe. Don't save that, bro. I'm removing it. Why would I save it? I don't need all this. Yeah. So hopefully, I mean, I wish I was a lot better at this, bro. Honestly. But I'm not. I mean, it's a lot of things you forget too while you're working. You kind of forget these things, you know. And then you knew it like 2 months ago, and now you're completely lost. I'm completely lost. But let's try this. So now I'm gonna include all the Lua stuff. So for all configurations, can we do all platforms, all configurations? I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure. Let's check this. Let's see how this was done. So, man. Okay, so this was debug. All configurations, all platforms. C++. This is different options. Okay, 64. Okay, so 64 and Win32 were different. External. Okay, this I did wrong here. So I only linked for the 32-bit. And here I only... But I did do it for both of these. So that's the linker. What about the general? So this is also for both of these. Okay, external SFML include for both. Okay, okay. And then input. Lua lib is for both. Debug and release, good. But for debug, it's this. So let me just copy this for debug. I just copy that input part. Now let's go to linker input, because that's the most annoying part, I'd say. Debug. I'll put all platforms, right? Well, let's put all platforms, guys. Let's go. Let's do it. Lib, SFML. Let me do this so I can see it more clearly here, actually. So I'm adding all the SFML libs. Why is this so small, bro? God. Okay, Lua 51. And that's -d here, -d, is for debug for SFML. So, okay, so we have done now completed debug, release. Yes, save it. Release would be the same, only we remove the D. Ha. There we go. Good. Okay. Zoned out there for a bit. Okay, apply this. Alright, man. You too. Good luck, man. Thanks for joining. Thanks for checking it out. I'll see you later, man. Take it easy. General. What is this? Additional library directories. So what would that be in our case? External Lua JIT source. That is my library directory for Lua. And SFML would be lib. Okay. No, wait. That should be for all configs. Oh, okay. Damn it. I should be able to just copy this. Put that into all configurations. Okay. Apply that. Because it is, right? It is for all configurations. Yeah, it is. It is. General. Include directories. I mean, we could put that in the source in there, but this has to be lib bin, I think. I'm gonna have to check that actually. Nah, it's include. It's include. It's include. Source. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, cool. Lua. Lua. Okay, how did you initialize Lua? I've forgotten everything, bros. So let's start from the start here. Game. So we have to have some kind of initialize Lua thing. This is pushing all the C functions. So, okay, these are the steps for Lua. You have to create a Lua state pointer L or L. Is that better? HPP? Okay. Good. Open the libraries. And how do you remove the state? You see C++? Yeah, man. This is yeah, bro. Yeah. This is C++ and Lua. So I'm trying to get this back into this. I'm trying to understand how this works. So game, let's go to the deconstructor here. So cleanup. So what does cleanup do? Close, Lua close. So to close it, we have to make sure we close the state. Always good. So that deletes it. Open libs L. Good. So this create the new state. Load all libraries for the new state. And then we do stuff here. Close that. Okay. And then Lua L. Lua do string. Isn't there a do string? Do string print hello world. Can you do that? Oh, okay. Can you do that? Do you know web frameworks? Yes, I do. Oh, no, that wasn't it. That wasn't it. Was it? No, it wasn't. This is what happened. Okay. I do know a few. I know. Damn it! I did go to. I did do some web development for a few months. Oh, that did work. Look, we got Lua to work. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very good. The one. That's not a one, bro. That's a L. Let's make a big L here. Actually, it's a good point. That is the state. So the way Lua works, it creates a state, and in that state, you can do a lot of things, and then you can have multiple states running of Lua. So you can load different things into them. But I don't know. I usually just have one state and then just push things into it and not to. So we can try to go through it a little quickly. I had that frameworks without practice. I really can't feel comfortable with them. Yeah, I know. These frameworks are crazy. I had one. I can't remember the name of it now, but we used a lot for web development. Let me see if I have that. Let's see. That was a hell of a web thing, man. Usability, software design, scripting, web program, personalized on the mobile development. Where did I put that? H maybe? Stuff. Nvidia. I really want to see that again. I really do want to see that again. I spent a lot of time on that. I just have to see, guys. Just give me a minute. I actually want to see if I still have those. It's PCHE. So much crap. Oh man, I had that, dude. I had it. I worked so long on those web development things. Did I remove them all after I was done with them? I don't think so. I can't have done that. That would be dumb, right? Should be in studies. I know it should be in here. I don't know why. It's so weird. Oh well, I'll have to. Yeah, no, it's cool, man. I wanted to find them because I really wanted to see them again. I don't know where they went. That's cool. We're just chilling on stream anyway, so. But it doesn't seem like I'm gonna find them here. Okay. Oh, that's strange. Did I put them here maybe? Where's this folder? Oh! Oh, look at that. Look at that. I really don't remember how to run these again. But my god, I spent so much time on these. My god, HTML, PHP, database design. Oh man. Yeah, man, here we had a bunch of things. Man. Yeah, I can't find the name of it, but I did find these at least. It was something with A. Yeah, cool, man. Yeah, I still have to go in a bit. I just wanted to get this working. So we linked Lua. I'll put Lua in my precompiled header. And then we'll just include the precompiled header. Printing that. Very good. Now, how do you in Lua, you can do a file. I know that. So I just want to test that actually. Let's go back to our Lua test. No. H. Lua exam. Lua repetition. Let's go in here. Let's create a new Lua.lua file. And we'll just make a easy one. Print.lua. Yes. Edit that. And let's just say, nope. Let's just say print hello from Lua script. Okay, you don't need a semicolon in Lua, I'm pretty sure. And then we're just gonna do file. right? L, and let's say print the Lua. I don't know if you need the .lua in the print file or in the do file. Oh, it did work. Okay, so it did run that script for me. So you can do a bunch of things in the script. You can just go in here. You can even run a script from a script. I know this. But then we're just going to do A equals 20, B equals 35, A print. Look how easy it is. A plus B, boom. Real easy script. Run that. Okay, that's not a real easy script. Print A plus B. I'm pretty sure you could just do it like this. Print A plus B. Come on, 54. Okay, so you need those. At least it's not like JavaScript. Okay, did that work? Yeah, that did work. Can you create like Lua file and run from? Yeah, yeah, that's fun. That's the whole point, my man. So let me show you something, Mr. PhD. So if we look at my other game, this is the game. Like, let me just show you how the game was. This is a very basic just test I made with animations and physics and collision and everything. So it's a very easy 2D, but it's an open world. So I can add as many of these boxes as I want. It's fully open world with, you know, so I made an engine for this. I've made other games with open world stuff with collision, everything. Everything is happening in Lua, okay? Everything is happening in Lua, and it's so fast and so nice, so easy to code. So, and I have states as well. So let me show you everything. Only C++ files I have are these 5 C++ files here. All right, and I'm just using Lua. So everything is Lua. Everything is Lua. I'm registering functions, and I'm using stuff in Lua. That's all I'm doing because it's so easy to use Lua. This is the game state, for example. You might not get a lot of this, but basically arrays are used to become classes. Okay, it's all just arrays. Everything is just arrays. Even functions are stored in arrays. That's why it makes it so easy. So it might seem complicated now, but once you get into it, you'll understand how simple it really is. And then there's this Lua stack, which is just managed and stuff like that. So it's a really cool thing. Yeah, Minecraft, right? Kind of. Yeah, man. Oh, Adrian, nice, man. Ran Lua files on FreeBSD. Yeah, man. But Lua is very flexible, especially if you have Lua JIT, because it makes it so fast. So this is what I want to get back to, guys. I wanna learn again how to do this, because I used to go crazy over Lua, man. I used to. This is what I did. I went in and I worked with Lua C++, wanted to make a game, and then life happened, and I just forgot all about it. And now I totally forgot Lua and how it worked, and I don't know why. I mean, it's not so hard. It doesn't really come back to you directly. So if you look in the C++ code, let's see. So we're getting a global. Everything is on a stack in Lua. You have to understand this. So it's always a stack. You push stuff onto the stack, you can grab it in the Lua or in C++. And you can pop things off the stack, remove things. So that's how it shares information between platforms. And that's why we're doing this. And you can check if it's a number, if it's a whatever. You can push a number onto the stack. You can do all kinds of things. So I'm pushing a number here in C++. That means that number will pop onto the stack like that. Boom, it will be on the stack. And in Lua, I'm going to grab that number. Okay. Or you can push it and you can call something with that number. So I push that on the stack. I'm saying I'm calling this function with after pushing this number that will shove it into the arguments list of that function. So it's kind of complicated in that sense, and still not, you know, you just have to get it. Yeah. Yeah, green screen. I should do that. That's a good idea as well. I have to get one of those. All right, man. Thank you so much, Adrian. Take care, okay? Take it easy, man. Thanks for joining. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Yeah. Okay, cool, man. But I'll try to invest in that, actually. I always wanted to get one. I think if I'm going to do more of these camera things, I should get one. But here, that's it. That's it. I mean, yeah, Lua is amazing. I just need to get into this again. So how would you push something on the stack? Push a global onto the stack. That's what you can do. You can push something called something, you can grab it in here. It's very interesting. I have to learn this again. Basically what I'm doing is I'm not doing that. I'm just registering objects, creating objects in here. I'm just pushing game data into Lua and I'm using that. I'm getting function. I'm getting data through functions. Okay, I'm gonna have to check this out. We're gonna have to try to redo this whole thing. But that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. I also have to fix that course anyway. Alright guys, I've been on for about 2 hours, I'd say. Right? 2 hours. And so many people watched this. I'm glad. I'm happy you guys joined. It's been real fun. We want to get this to work in the next one. I'm gonna do some experimenting and try to see how to work with this, because I had some good information. I had some good what do you call it, books on this, reference material, which I have to check out, and then we'll see how we work with that. But yeah, we'll do that in the next one. But thank you so much for chilling, guys. Thanks, Mr. PhD. See you in the next one. All right, take care, you too. Thanks for all the help. Thank you everyone for taking it easy here. Yeah, be safe, take care everyone. You too, man. And yeah, hopefully see you in the next one. All right, take it easy. Bye bye.